How to export the lifecycle logs from a MAXPRO NVR PE Rev C using the web UI. In the event that advanced troubleshooting needs to be done on the hardware of a MAXPRO NVR PE Rev C unit, technical support may request lifecycle logs from the unit. There are two main ways to generate these logs: from the menu during the boot cycle and from within Windows using the web user interface. If you cannot boot to Windows, you'll want to use the boot menu method, which is covered in a different video. From the Start menu of Windows, locate the iDRAC GUI launcher. This may be found in a folder called iDRAC Service Module. When the web page launches, click Continue to the site and use the default credentials to log in. Root is the username and Calvin is the password. On first login, you'll be prompted to update the credentials. You can skip this, but we do recommend that you update the password before continuing. When the dashboard populates, locate the Maintenance Toolbar icon at the top and click the drop-down arrow next to it. Then locate Support Assist and click it. In the Support Assist section, locate the Start a Collection button at the top and click it. A checklist will appear. Leave the default selected and make sure that Save Locally is checked, then click Collect. After about 10 minutes or so, the progress bar will complete and the logs will be generated. Click OK and you should see a download prompt at the bottom of your browser window to save the zip file to your computer. Contact Honeywell Technical Support for information on where to send or upload this file for further support. Explore our trainings and discover your potential. Go to HoneywellDiscoverTraining.com.